Hey everyone, this is Alex or PolymomoTea, and today I have a tutorial showing you how to make this bathroom sink with a leaky faucet. It has a little face on it. And please don't mind my hands. My hands have a lot of kind of wounds right now because I was barbecuing some pork and I got a lot of oil splatter on my fingers, so got a little bit of damage there, but please ignore that. And you might be wondering, why am I making a bathroom sink? And I'm just like, I really don't know. I was really fixated on the idea. So while I was talking, I made a little bowl shape out of white clay, and I'm gonna pinch it into an oval. Then for the drain, I'm taking a huge dotting tool and I'm pressing it pretty hard into the sink bowl. And in the hole, we're gonna fill it with some silver clay and press it down with the dotting tool. And then we're gonna add some black clay to fill it with. Now for the sink base, we're taking some white clay and rolling into a fat cylinder. And we're gonna make one end a little bit fatter than the other end, but it's just very slightly. And we're gonna attach that to our sink bowl. So we have a very simple sink design here. Now for the faucet, we're taking some silver clay and we're gonna roll it into a snake, but we're gonna make it into one of those snakes where it kind of gets skinnier as it goes. So we're gonna cut off one end and then we're just gonna bend it into an angle. And on the skinny end, we're gonna take a dotting tool and make an indent for the little spout. Next, we're gonna cut off the excess of the faucet and place that onto our sink. And I'm wrapping the base with a snake of silver clay. And for the little handles for the hot and cold water, we're basically doing miniature versions of the faucet spout. And we are going to place that on either side of the spout. So we are done with step one, so we're going to bake this according to instructions. And here is the fully baked product. So we have a regular sink, but let's add some more details to it. Not too much though. So I'm taking some UV resin and I'm adding some blue pigment and mixing it together. And as you all may have guessed, this will be the water, and I'm only putting a little bit on the base of the sink bowl. So for the water drop, I'm taking some blue pigment resin and I'm shaping it into a water drop or a teardrop shape, and this is on top of a silicone mold, and I'm gonna cure that. And after the initial cure, I'm adding another layer of the same resin, and I'm giving the little teardrop or water drop some dot eyes and a line smile, and I'm letting that cure as well. Next, I'm going to add some super glue to the little spout area, and I'm going to super glue my little teardrop shape into the sink or the faucet, whatever it's called. And once that's done, I'm just going to add some UV resin to glaze the water drop. And one thing I forgot to show you is that I did dome the back side of the water drop as well. I didn't show that in the video, but I did do that. And with the UV resin, I'm going to glaze the rest of the sink, which is just like the silver parts. I kept the white part just matte because I didn't want it to be super shiny. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I know it's a very weird tutorial, but I'm thinking, should I make the rest of a bathroom like a toilet and a bathtub? I'm still kind of on the fence. But let me know what you want to see in the comment section below. Thank you.